So if you are having a hard time, maybe creating a subscription product that sells, or maybe even creating a consumable product that sells, because honestly, it isn't always easy. It takes a lot of thinking, and then you have to build the product, then you have to sell it. It's a lot of work.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
So the next best solution is if you have products that are just like one-off products, but you can have a catalog of them. And I mean many, right? You can have 5, 10, 20, 100. This is kind of the approach that I do all the time. Like I have multiple apps in app stores. I have many Udemy courses. I have many books that I wrote. I have a lot of YouTube videos that I did, right? So actually, once people get one thing that of yours, right? They better like it, right? So whatever product you're making, they better be good. You better put care into the quality of your work, because why? Well, number one, the people are paying you, they should get a good product. But number two is people will buy more of your products only if they like the first one. Okay? If they don't like the first one, they're not gonna buy the rest. That is that simple, right? If they like the first one and they feel like they got good value out of it, they're gonna want to get more of yours. If they didn't like the first product they tried of yours, you couldn't discount that thing enough. They're not gonna want it, right? Huge difference. So the product quality, if you have a good product quality, if people like your product, if it's engaging, if it delights people, if you have good tech support, good support, everything about it, just basically people are left delighted, they're gonna buy more, right? They're gonna buy more. And you should have a catalog of things for them to be able to buy more, right? So like if you have a course, right? Like I made multiple courses, books, multiple books, right? So people can get multiple of your products, and that way, let's say instead of one product, they can get 10 products of yours, hopefully, or 20. Well, that would be 1,000 or 2,000% increase. I mean, how incredible is that, right? And so with that, you can just create, if you cannot really create a subscription that works, or consumable products that work, just have a way to, when you promote things to people, promote things as a catalog, as a more than one item. That way you can give bigger discounts and people will buy more, and at the same time you'll make more money because people will buy more than one item. So that's kind of the third way to maximize revenue by 1,000 or more percent really per customer.